Good morning, dear children. This is your English teacher. Now take out your English textbook and open page number 48. Okay. So, dear children, today we are going to start our new lesson from Unit 3. From Unit 3, that is Robinson Crusoe discovers a footprints. Okay. So, dear children, what you have visualized in this picture, we have one Robinson Crusoe, okay, which looks very weird, and here he discover a footprint, okay. Then his name is Robinson Crusoe, and he discovers a footprint. Now, what is mean by discovers? Discovers means find, okay. Discovers mean find, and footprints means you can say the footmarks, okay, or you can also say the footsteps, okay. So there was a man whose name is Robinson Crusoe. So one day he find out the footprints. One day he discovered a footprint. So after that, what he did, okay. So let's see in this lesson. So the Robinson Crusoe's ship had been destroyed by the sea, okay. So one day what happened, the Robinson Crusoe, he is the Robinson Crusoe, so his ship had been destroyed. What is mean by destroyed? Destroyed means demolish, okay. This is the synonyms of destroyed, okay. So destroyed by the sea, he had been alone for many years and longed for the company. Then what happened, he just missing somewhere on the island, and what happened there, he had been alone for many years and longed for company. Longed means wish. Then he wished for a company because he had been alone for many years there, okay. So one day what happened, he discovers a footprint on the sand, okay. What happened, he just discovered, or he just find the footprints on the sand. So let us find out what he did then, okay. Then after finding that footstep, then what did he did? So let's find out. So what happened, one day when I was going towards my boat, okay. So here the Robinson Crusoe telling you his story, okay. So he's saying that one day when I was going towards my boat, so I was surprised to see the footprints of man on the sand. So okay, so what happened then, when one day when he was going towards his boat, so he was surprised to see the one footprint of a man on the sand, because as you know that he had been alone for many years there, okay. No one lived there. So but when he was going towards his boat, he just find out, or he just discovered a footprint there, a footprint of a man on the sand. So what happened, he was just amazed. I stood amazed. He just amazed and surprised. Then I listened, okay. Then he listened that is there any sound of any man or anything. So he started listening. Then I looked around me. Then he also started looking around him itself, and I could neither hear nor see anything. But what happened, he could neither hear or nor see anything, okay, because no one is there, only the footprint is there on the sand. So then I went up higher to look down. Then what happened, he just went up higher, means he just went up to the hill or mountainous area, hilly area, to look down, okay, whether he could find or locate that particular man. And then I went up the shore and down the shore. Then He just went up the shore means he just went up the beach and also down the coast. Okay, coast and beach, to both are the similar words, you can say it the synonyms. Okay, so but it was no good. Okay, but there was no good, he could not find anyone there. Then I could find no other footprint but that one. What happened, he just find only one footprint on that on that sand. Okay, but instead of that one footprint, he couldn't find any other footprint there. Okay, he find out everywhere. Okay, he but there were no sign of any man or no sign of any footprint. Okay, only one footprint is printed over the sand. Okay, beside his boat. So I went to it again to see if there were any more footprints and to tell if it had been my imagination. So he went back to check whether it was his imagination or not. Okay, because he find out only the one footprint. So he felt that maybe it was a mistaken, it was just his imagination. So what he did, he just went to it again to see if there were any more footprints. Okay, and to tell if it had been my imagination, but I was not mistaken. Then he found that he was not mistaken, he was not wrong, for there was exactly the print of a foot. Okay, as you know that the print of footprint of man, so exactly that print of foot he found there. Okay, the toes, the heel, every part of a foot, like this you can see in this picture also. Okay, here. Okay, this type of footprint, you can see that, you can visualize that this is the footprint of man, not any animal. Okay, this is the footprint of man only. Okay, so then he realized that he was not mistaken, for there was exactly the print of foot, toes, there is a heel, every part of a foot. I could not imagine how it came there. Okay, so he just started thinking that how it came there. Okay, so I stayed a long time thinking. So what he did, he just stood amazed, and he just stayed a long time there, and he just overthinking about that. Okay, about that footprint, but became more and more confused. But what happened, there were no any sign of any man. Okay, and there were no any sign of any kind of sound or anything. So it became more and more confused. Okay, he just became more and more confused by watching that footprint on the sand, only one footprint on the sand. Okay, so dear children, in this page we have seen many synonyms and many hard words. That is, first one is destroyed. That is here, destroyed means demolish. D E M O L I S H. Destroyed means demolish. Then longed means WISH, wish. Okay, longed means wish. Then again we have seen, that is the one hard word, shore. The shore means BEACH, beach. Okay, then again there is one hard word, that is mistaken. Okay, so mistaken means WRONG, wrong. Okay, so all these are the hard words and their meanings, you can say the synonyms. Okay, in next video I'll give you the synonyms and antonyms of this lesson. Okay, so I hope you understand this video. If you have any problem regarding to this video, you can ask me. Okay, So till then, it's goodbye from my side. Thank you and have a nice day.